Perfect. 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 Perfect.
All right, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time it is your time, it is always time to make this money. Hello, my name is Joe, and this is TradingTuition, once again with no camera. Man, I've been running around too much. Put that camera on. All right, guys, just to let you know, of course, we give you 1 hour of free mentorship every single day at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go over not only just charts, but if you have questions, whether it's, what's the best indicator? How do you use this indicator? Can you talk to me about divergence? All this stuff that you're learning, let me know, and I will either debunk it or help you out in reference to just kind of making it simpler. That's what I do here. I make the complicated terms, pattern memorization, just trading in general, the complexity of trading, I simplify it in a very easy to digest way that everybody gets. So just kind of give you a heads up. That's where we're at. And of course, we're going to look at some charts. We got some charts. We got a chart on Twitter. And do that. Thank you for everybody watching on Twitter. Greatly appreciate you guys. Say hi. Say hi, guys. That way, of course, I can give you a shout out. Same thing here for YouTube. If you have a coin you want me to do, if you have questions, just ask away. This is your free hour. Oh, man, I wish somebody did this for me when I first started, or just in the learning process, or just to get a second opinion without having to send them a super chat. So just give you a heads up. All right, so first things first, let's look at Bitcoin. What is Bitcoin doing? Bitcoin is being Bitcoin. So we did have Bitcoin. We talked about this. I would do this every single day in reference to what's Bitcoin doing. And of course, we look at our charts. So this was a range that it was in. It was in a really nice range. We were saying that if it does break into this area, hopefully it finds support right here off of this level. Right here, we talked about this yesterday. Right here off of this level, if it does come down, hopefully you'll find support here and then possibly bounce up. If it loses this support, well, then our next level is here. And all we do is we treat level per level. That's all we do. And if it breaks this level, hopefully finds this level. If not, come down here and then just trade in between the range. No predictions here. Now, granted, do we kind of map out where it could go? Yep, sure do. But we don't say, I don't do patterns. When I used to do patterns, I would always, 68% chance and 74% chance. And I just didn't like it because I would get biased. I would say, you know what? It's going to go up. I mean, look at all this percentage. Now it's like, okay, let me look to the left. Where's the support? Where's the resistance? Okay, what it might do is it might come up here to resistance and then come down. And that's what we've been mentioning just throughout the show. And that's how we do it. Right now, Bitcoin's coming down. Bitcoin's coming down and possible bounce. We need several candles, minimum 2 to 3, to say, okay, this is a pivot. And now it's possibly going to, reverse. The more candles we have, the more confluence we have in reference to the change of direction, change of pattern, change of trend. So that's Bitcoin in a nutshell. It's funny. People tell me all the time, like, man, Joe, I really like that you don't spend the whole hour on Bitcoin. No, we do a few minutes of Bitcoin and then we go to your charts. So the first one up is from, first, I don't like, if the username is called Daddy or Papi, I don't like saying that. It's just weird. So I'm going to call this one Persa. Per se. Maybe I'm saying it right. If I'm saying per se right, then put a 1 for Twitter. If I'm saying per se wrong, put a 2. This is for per se. All right. So can you do bull? Yes, definitely. We can do bull. So let's go ahead and cut this. And I don't know why. I'm weird that way. I'm dumb. I know. So let's come over here. Let's go to, this right here. This is a sneak peek. This is from our VIP. We had add 50% entry at the current price, which it was already breaking here. And 50% at a lower entry. And this is what we do. I love doing lower entries. Right now, this is a lower entry. We do have our stop loss. Ooh, and it just barely missed it. And sometimes it'll get it. But I do think this one is going to continue to do well. When Bitcoin does well, this one does well. Right now, Bitcoin, not looking so good. But in my opinion, I do believe this one do well. Now, this one is a larger chart, is a larger market cap, almost 5 billion with a B. Thank you guys for those floating hearts. You guys are great. You guys are great. And those floating hearts, it does increase the engagement, and of course, all the chats really increases the engagement. So thank you guys. You guys are the best. So on this one for stacks, I do think that, of course, our target of 17% is not out of reach. And right now we would be in 100% of the trade. So this is kind of a little sneak peek for you guys, for everybody watching the live stream. And if you're watching this on the replay, leave me a comment saying hashtag replay. I would like to know. All right, moving on. So let's go ahead and change this. That way you don't get any more sneak peeks. I guess save. I never know what this is. Save. Okay. All right. So we're going to put this on for YouTube. That way all the drawings that I have on other charts, you cannot see. That's for the VIP guys, the VIP. All right. So here, let's go to YouTube, rapid fire session. And now we're on YouTube. Almost got tricked. Okay, so YouTube and YouTube, got it. Oh, here's another one. Man, y'all are getting snapshots all this time. What's going on? Oh no, this is on YouTube. Okay, this is from YouTube. So we're good. So let's go ahead and look for bull. Let's look for bull. So BULLUSDT. This is on KuCoin. This is on KuCoin. Okay, so, oh wow. Okay. So let's go ahead and add this to our watch list so that we could do a recap later. And sometimes I forget to do this. So we're just right clicking, and this is 4/1. Ooh, today's April Fool's Day. April Fool's Day. All right. So looking at this, let's go and just kind of zoom out. Let's see what's going on. We have some levels over here, and not a lot of buying and selling. This is all scam wicks. You know, just somebody bought a bunch and then sold a bunch. This I don't personally, I don't like it. But can you make a lot of money on it? Sure can. I'm not sure what the market cap is. So that's one thing I do want to check is the market cap. So let's come over here to this. If you don't have PREsearch, I recommend doing this. Anytime you search, you get tokens. So, you know, I've had this for a while. The link is in the description. Not only that, but I'm also putting it here as well. I just put in the chat. If you sign up using my link, of course, you get free coins. Hello. Who doesn't like free? I love free. See, bull, what was it? Bull reverse. Let's try that again. I don't see bull reverse. Am I missing it? Bull reverse? I don't know. Oh, so there's more results. Bull token. Oh, Bullverse. Here we go. I hope this is the one. 1618. Yep, that's the one. So I'm just confirming with the price. So this is a 11 million market cap. So let's go ahead and do this. What I like doing is whenever I'm charting, I'd like to know what the market cap is. What I buy right now, no, don't worry, don't rush. So this is the market cap. What I also like doing is see how high or low it is from its previous high. This doesn't surprise me, 91%. Okay. Let's also see what tags they are. You know, what industries, what everything. The more information you have, the better judgment you have when it comes to entry. So here we have metaverse, play to earn, okay, gaming. It's on the Polygon ecosystem, Web3. Okay. So for these, I would just say metaverse and play to earn. All right. So one thing I also want to do, let's check this out. Like on the first coin, what we normally do is we get a little bit more in depth. Then after this, it's very quick. I like the graphics. I like the animation. I like I like everything about this. It's not from the 90s. Let's see. Let's see here. And now as far as displaying the tags, what I do is I just copy and paste. I just copy and paste. Why isn't this showing? There we go. How do you display the tags like that? So I just copy and paste. So I copy it from the web page. I do Shift, Windows key, the letter S. And then on the blank area of the chart, I right click, and you can do paste or just Control V. Good question. So let's go ahead and look at this. So explore the Bullverse. Okay, we got Yahoo Finance. Okay, CoinDesk, Forbes. What is this? Gaming. Very good graphics. Doesn't look like the 90s. Okay, it's a shooter game. Looks cool. Dive into the Bullverse 3D or Web3 gaming universe powered by, okay. Looks good. Okay, buy these bulls. Why? It's an island, so metaverse. Okay. Ethereum, big fees. You got bears too. So that's funny. I like it. It's funny. You can buy a bear or you can buy a bull. I like that. Bring your NFTs to life by becoming your digital identity across the games, metaverse, and beyond. Okay, not sure what that's supposed to be. Welcome to Social Interact. That's cool. Put a 1 in the chat if you think this is good graphics, or a 2 in the chat if it's no. I think it's a 1. So put a 1 in the chat or a 2 in the chat. I want to see what y'all think. I see play and earn. Okay, now I do have a very big suggestion to you. Create multiple wallets. You must create multiple wallets, because let's say this game, for whatever reason, is out to steal your money. Not only that, but I did a video. Guys. Let's go over here. Let's go to here. Let's go to here. So on my video, it's a 3-minute video, I think. It's under 3 minutes. Watch this, guys. This is going to save you. I guarantee it. Protect yourself from scammers, airdrops, phishing sites. Get this. This only connects to your MetaMask. So that's very important. What it does is, let's say you have to connect your MetaMask to this gaming site. And when you connect it, it automatically checks to see if this site can steal your money. And of course, it'll give you a bunch of warnings. So check out this video. It's under 3 minutes. And as always, every video you watch, please, smash the like, leave a comment, all that fun stuff. And what I recommend doing on your MetaMask, because you can actually create sub wallets under your main account. For every gaming site you go to that you have to connect, create a sub wallet. Or you could also just create another wallet in general just for your games and have each one of them labeled as well. And the reason for that, let's say you get airdrops and you weren't expecting an airdrop. The site never told you you're going to get airdrop. More than likely that airdrop is a scam. Protect yourself. Protect yourself, guys. All right. I like it. Man, I really do. Really good graphics. Let's see here. Okay. So when I was just looking at the chart, I was like, nope. Looking at the website. Okay. Changed my mind. Trade on your very own gaming focused marketplace. Okay. Start trading. Okay. This is pretty cool. I like it. A great website. It's not just one little area and then that's it. Everything powered by the bull tokens. Okay. I got a community, the whole 9, backed by all these people. Okay. And then they have a bunch of sites. Just out of curiosity, let's check their Twitter real quick and then we're gone. That's impressive. 122,000 followers. Okay. And one of my buddies follows them too. Okay. Engagement. There's engagement. That's about a month old. So they do have engagement, a lot of retweets. Okay. I'm moving on. So let's come back over here. Let's look at this. All right. So right now, there must have been news that came out or something. I didn't even check for the news. Now, would I enter this trade? No. Why? Well, it's pumping right now. We got to wait. If you want, you could do 25% right now because it pumped almost 60% in the last 8 hours. That's a huge pump. I don't know about you, but when there's a pump like this, I like taking profit. Exhibit A, pump, profit. Exhibit B, pump, profit. Exhibit C, kind of a pump, profit. So just kind of give you a heads up, if you're trying to FOMO into this, me personally, I wouldn't, because you have a much higher probability that it comes down. And let's say you miss a bunch of the move. It's okay. You're gonna have another opportunity. So that's one thing I want to let you know, guys. It's okay if you miss a move. It's okay if you're not in a trade. It's okay. So let's chart this out. Let us look. How can we chart this one out? We want to get targets. Now, of course, you can go way back over here, but this is a really long time ago. This is a year ago. So what I want to do is I just want to come over here. Since there's not a lot of really, price action up here, what I want to do is I want to do a fib extension. So there's going to be 3 points to this. Make sure your magnet tool is on. And of course, all this is over here. I just have them as my favorites. So as you're finding them, you can just go to the star and then click on it, and it goes to this floating toolbar. And you can just click where the 6 little dots are at and move it around. So what we're going to use is the fib extension. And we're going to come down here to the low, to the high, to the low prior to the swing. And again, you want to go low at the bottom, top, bottom. And I go to a higher time frame, so it's much easier to identify. And you'll notice that too. If you're on a low time frame and you're trying to, where is it? I don't know where. Just go to a higher time frame. Solves it really quick. So now let's go to our 4-hour time frame, and let's look at this bad boy. Can we enter this trade? For me personally, it's just too much of a pump. If you're afraid of losing, missing out, you personally could. I won't. I don't even care if this runs up 130%. I don't care. Because what I want to see is I want to see it cool off and then start curving up, and then I'll buy. And then, of course, I'll get 30, 40% really nice at the very beginning versus, let's say I enter here and then it just comes down. And now I'm waiting, and 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 okay, now it's starting to show strength, and now I'm finally break even 3 weeks later versus enter now. Now, if you did enter now and it took off, great. At least you're in 25%. For me personally, I wouldn't enter. I would just wait. Even if it pumped another 100, 200%, I don't care. I'm okay. And you have to have that mentality. Trading is very psychological. And for some, most, emotional. Fear of missing out. Jealousy, envy, greed. All those come into play when it comes to trading. And, especially doubt. Doubting in your skills of trading. All that comes into play. For me, I'd wait for it to come down. And then, so I just monitor this one. But let's say you did enter. This would be 25%. We would do 75% down here because I am expecting it to come down. Could it continue to go up and make me look like a fool? Yeah, sure. Why not? Fine with me. 75% entry. And then we'll do a 25% entry, at current price. Now, granted, this is for you, not for me. I would not enter. I would wait. I need to make that very clear. And then let me make a note here so that when we look at this again, I would not enter. I would wait for retrace. Okay. So just so we know, so we're clear. So if this does go up 200%, I can't say, oh, look, guys, I said enter right now. I'm not that person. Like I let you know what I would have done at the moment of the trade, not after the fact. So for those of you who are new, please subscribe. I give all this information for free. I do have a free group as well. Now with this free group, and there's more details if once you DM me on Telegram, there's a lot of information that I'll give you in reference to how to join the free group. There's also a VIP group if you want, but just kind of give you a heads up. I put the link in the chat, the live chat. This is the link tree, and it shows you my stuff. Send me a DM in Telegram. All right, so let's go ahead and continue with this. As far as this goes, we would enter, well, I would wait for a pullback, but if you were to enter, this would be your entry. This would be your second entry. And then let's go ahead and pull it from here, since this is our higher entry. So this would be our target. So let's go ahead and do this yellow. And then this would be our next target. So there's a lot of things I like about this. One, I like the project. If that game is truly the way it was and it wasn't just a video, it's a cool game. It really is. And I love the market cap. I absolutely love the market cap. So here we would do this. So we want to have it underneath this. So let's go ahead and put it down here. Now, of course, let's go ahead and put our stop loss. And then let's go ahead and do our targets. Oh, that was alert target. And let's do our another target. And then let's just do it like that. Okay. So that's your setup right there. If you were to enter right now, of course, this wouldn't be 63%. It would be whatever this is. So it'd be about almost 27%. That's pretty good. But for me personally, I just wait for this pullback. I do like this one, and I'm more than likely, I might. Oh no, wait, this is on a different exchange. I can't, and I don't have KuCoin. But nice one. Per se, this is a nice one. Kudos to you, man. Good stuff. All right. Let's go, and we have another one. Let's see. Crypto 420 says 70% mental, 20% TA, 10% discipline. Yeah. Yes, indeed. All right. Let's see here. So let's go ahead and go to the very, very top. See here. Constantine says, I want BOOM. Got a good bag of it. But looking at the live cover, I'm sure you're covered. Let's do it. Let's do BOOM. BOOM. I posted this one in the free group just because we've been looking at it. Let's go here. Did I do the right one? See, BOOM. USDT. Let's go Binance. Oh, because I did, let's see. Do I have it here somewhere? We can have a chart. I'm probably missing it. It's okay. We just do a new chart. We'll do KuCoin. I mean, BOOM, USDT. We would do MEXC. Okay. So let's just, oh, here's my alert to see if this might be a stop out. Or to see if it breaks this level. All right, so let's just look at this one. And let's go from scratch. But this one's going to be faster, though. This is going to be faster. So for here, I do see a range. The range, of course, is from here to here. Nice little trading zone. Up, down, up, down, up, and then it found support, and then it broke through, and then now it is red T, ready to enter. I say sure, and then we'll do a lower entry as well. We'll do a lower entry. You're like, Joe, that didn't sound too convincing. It's just because. Let me go to the 1 hour. Ugh. So hopefully what I'm hoping to see, let's go ahead and put this on our watch list. YouTube. Okay. So what I'm hoping is going to happen is, and again, nobody knows what's going to happen. What I'm hoping for is that we will see this. We'll see this. I think it's going to come down a little bit more though. See this bounce here and then come up and then continue the higher lows. We have a low, higher low, higher low. Even though I saw it green at that moment, I still think it should come down and then come back up. And then what we could do is we could have, let's do this one. So this is the level it needs to break. We'll put this as white. So if you want a safer entry, you know, most of us are already in this one. You know, we entered it a little bit ago. But if you want a safer entry, it must break above this level. And this level will be identified as this. And we'll put this one as this one. That's ugly color. We'll do it as this one. So if you want to a safer one, it would be the break of this. So what I would actually do is I would put an alert. That's an alert right here. So let's above the wicks. So let's go here and let's go to add alert. And I'm all about alerts. I let the trades come to me. So right now, would I personally enter? I'm going to take it back. If I said yes, I wouldn't. I wouldn't enter because more than likely it might come down. And I was thinking about having this as a lower bid, but let's just wait. Let's just wait for it to break this level at 0.017274 before we enter. We have our alert right here. So if the price action does this, we get alerted, and then we just check, you know, was it doing this prior to our alert? And then if so, this is showing that it's found support here. We can enter a trade, and then more than likely we can have another bid right here in case it does come down and give us a wick. And then, of course, we would actually add to our trade once we see a higher high for the recent most highest high. What I mean by that is, let's say we get alerted, we wait for the 1 hour candle to close. On this one, we're using a 1 hour candle, not 4. So let's just say we get alerted, candle closes underneath this level, and we wait, and we see it doing this, and then it comes up again. And then now, because it found support here, because of this, now we enter the trade, and especially if it broke its previous high, which would be this. And then I would have a lower bid right here. And for this one, we can do 50-50. So we can do 50% entry. But it has to do this first though. And I don't want to put all this stuff here because then you might say, oh, well, let me put a bid right here. And never enter a bid higher. And a bid is a amount that hasn't been filled yet. You never want to put an entry above the current price action. Because remember, there's a lot of people in the order books that have all prices here. So if you put this price right now, you are actually buying at this price. So don't do that. If you put a price lower, well, it hasn't hit it. So you just have to wait for the price to come down to hit it. So this is an actual bid or lower entry. So what I would do is I'll do 50% entry once it creates this level. And then I'd have my 50% here. Now, what do I mean by 50%? Let's say, simple math, that you had $100 for this trade. I would put in $50 each part. You know, and that's what I do. I don't go 100% on any entry. I always break it up just in case it comes down. But what if it goes up? Well, that's fine too. I'll just wait for a retrace. Like, I'm going to make money either way. You know, could you make more money, you know, just putting it all in right now and it going up? Yes, you sure could. Versus putting a little bit here, seeing how it goes, adding to it here, seeing how it goes, adding to it here. Could you make more money if you just entered it once and it goes up? Because it could just go straight up and not do this. Yeah, you would make a lot of money, way more money. However, if the price action falls down, Bitcoin does something, somebody reports something about this coin, and it dumps, well, now you just lost a whole bunch of money at 100% of your investment versus only a third. So think about it that way. And Persa on Twitter says, thank you. Appreciate the chart. You're very welcome. I love doing charts. I love this. All right, so we covered BOEM. That's what my thought process on BOEM would be. Just to wait, because more than likely it might come lower. Nobody knows, though. I mean, it could go skyrocket from here. But we have our alert, and our alert will tell us, don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. We have to wait. And then when our alert goes off, we have to wait for the candle to close. All right. See, Dave also put 1, 2. Okay, so now I have to go really fast. I can't be talking so much. And that's one thing that I do. I love to talk. Let's see. Lisa says, can you please let me know DTMR? Yeah, definitely. Let's go. It's going to be rapid fire, though. Rapid fire. All right, so we'll do MEXC. See where it's going to go next. All right, good stuff. Rapid fire. Oof, I don't like this one. I don't like it. I don't like the wicks. I don't like the price action. I don't like the candle bodies. This is screaming to me a bot. A bot is trying to save this. They do this to exchanges so they don't get delisted. Let's look at another one. MTR. Let's go to KuCoin. This one probably has more price action. So this one, I mean, it looks better as far as the candle bodies. And rewind this. Make sure to see. Let's go Control Z. You see how these candles look versus these candles. Let's do a screenshot. And I know I said I was gonna do this fast. That's one thing I hate about teaching is I don't like skipping anything. Look at the comparison of these candles. And once you do this long enough, you'll pick up on this too. So these candles, like I really don't like. I don't like how small, tiny they are. All these wicks. It just rubs me the wrong way. This one, I still don't like it, but the candles look better. If that makes any sense. And you can rewind that part too. The candle looks better. So let's get rid of this. All right. Now, let's see. Let's go to a higher time frame. I don't know what this coin is. Ah, man. I can't do it. Okay. I was going to go and do research on it. Let's see here. But enough of that. Can this coin make us money? All right. Well, let's check it out. So it looks like it's finding support. So what I would do, I would have this more of a high-risk trade. I would actually enter the trade right now. I'd enter the trade right now, even though I don't like it. I'd enter the trade right now. I would have I'd have a stop loss right here, 10%. I was hoping this was like 2%, but I would have a stop loss right there. Let's see here. Let's go to this. This will be one of my levels. This will be another one of my levels. And then we can possibly do this one as our level. And now the reason I'm entering here is because we could potentially have another bounce just like we did here. It's very high risk because it's just straight down. We haven't created a higher low yet. And I still keep on teaching. Here we go. First target would be 18%. Next target would be, we can go here, 36%. So let's make sure to add this to our watch list, and I already have it for some reason. Oh, unless it just did it. And then just so y'all can see this a little bit better, so let's go to stop loss. This may not be exact to the exact thousandth of a penny or whatever, but This is just a general area. Okay. So hopefully you like that. Of course, I would enter right now with a lower bid of, we can just say right here. So just so you know my colors, blue is always an entry. Yellow is always stop loss and target. And of course, these red ones, this is my, this is my stop loss, and the green ones are targets. So that's that one. So I would do 25, I'd do 50%. 50% per entry, 50% per entry. So it'd be 50% now. That's not even clear. 50% at current price. So one thing with me, I love making my charts very easy to understand. And then here we'll put 50% entry. So if I were to hand this chart to a stranger who doesn't know how to trade, they will know exactly what I'm saying. They look at this chart and they see 50% at current price, 50% entry right here. Hopefully they'll know what that means. If it doesn't, then I guess I can explain that. But everything else is good. All right, moving on. So that's my thought process on that. Let's see here. Sam Webb says, I think I smashed the like too hard and somebody check for me. Nice. Yes, guys, definitely smash the like button. It really does help. It really does help. Let's see here. Edgar, what's up, Edgar? Made the mistake of throwing a heavy bag on a coin and I'm having the hardest time selling it off. Any advice? Yes. Oh, for one, on this channel, I never do financial advice. On the channel, in the group, free group, paid group, never financial advice. However, if I entered a coin that I'm down big time in and I was contemplating should I sell or not, you have to have a few things that you're thinking about. One, can you continue holding it for one more month? If you can hold it for one more month, I guarantee it, that price should be up. Now, if you can't hold it because you need to sell it to get into other trades, then more than likely just sell it. You know, if it's a 30% loss, 50% loss, 70% loss, you know, it all depends on the situation. So whenever you ask a question, I always put a bunch of different variables into the answer because, you know, you may be in a different situation. Like, let's say you're going to get paid next week or maybe 2 weeks, and you're going to have spending money to get into crypto. Me personally, I would leave that one alone, and then I would enter another trade, or let's say that trade is looking better now. So instead of being down 50%, I can add to that entry, and now instead of being negative 50, now I'm negative 32 because I put more money in it. Let's say 2 more weeks go by and I get more money. And I really like this coin. I think this coin's going to do good. People are talking about it, or, you know, YouTubers talked about it, whatever. And now instead of down 32%, well, it dropped a little bit more. Now it's down 38%. Well, now I have more money I can put into that. So because I put into it, instead of it being negative 38, now it's negative 12. And now I've had a whole bunch more coins. Let's say 2 more weeks go by. I get paid again. And now it's plus 4. Do I want to put more into it? Nope. Now I'm going to go to another coin. Right now, we're at the very beginning. We're at the very beginning of this bull market. You can only do this right now. This is the perfect time to have, I don't have any stop losses on any of my trades right now. And there's some that I'm down 20, 25%. And I love it because that gives me the opportunity to add more to that bag. And I'm going to hold this. And this is a no lose win only account. I will only sell if I'm in the positive. And there's some coins in here. We were doing this morning in the VIP. We have a screen share. We have screen shares regularly, just where I give my thought process, what I'm doing, what I'm looking at, coins I'm in, et cetera, et cetera. And there's some coins that I'm up on, and these are the coins that I want to add to. So, like, to be honest, I'm a little upset because I want to add to these coins. And so on any kind of pullback, I'll add to it. So let's say on one coin, I'm up 30, 40%. If I add to that bag, now it'll only show that I'm up 22%. So it works the same way. When going from the negative, it reduces it. Going to the positive, it reduces it. But it's only reducing the percentage amount that it shows. Your money it's still there and it's still growing. So just kind of give you a heads up on all that. All right, moving on. Let's see here. The next one. So hopefully that answered your question. It just depends on your situation. It really does. Let's see. Constantine says, if you can hold it until a profit, boom, look at that. Constantine knows. Man, that's some great advice. That's some great advice. Same thing you did with boom. It went down, you add on the dips, and now waiting for cool off profits. Look at you. Look at you. Constantine, where'd you learn that from? That sounds pretty smart. I like that. I really, really like that. Great stuff. Yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you don't lose. And you can only do that at this particular moment because we're at the very, very, very beginning of the bull market. I have yet to lose any of my trades. If it comes down, I just wait. Add to it. And then it goes in profit. Guess what I'm doing? If it's not a long-term investment, I'm selling that bad boy. I'm only winning. Only winning. Great advice. Let's see here. C10 Chevy guy says, hey Joe, can you have a look at CRE, crypto real estate? Yeah, definitely. I think we looked at that one the other day. CRE, do y'all see it here? I don't see it right away. So let's go. We already added that one. Let's do CRE USDT. And we do this every day, guys. Every day. 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so you said this was a CRE. I'm going to try, crypto real estate. So this, it might be the same. No. So I guess BitSmart. CRE. I'm guessing this one. Crypto real estate. Okay. This one looks okay. I'd have a really tight stop loss though. Now, granted, whenever I say I don't do stop losses and then stop losses, this is just to cover everybody. People who want to do some swing trades, some midterm trades, some long-term investments. Me personally, I don't have stop losses. But if you enter this one, what I would do is I would have a stop loss, a tight one too. And more than likely you will get stopped out and then you just wait for it to break this level. So what levels am I talking about? Joe, you're on the chart, Joe. That's the level. That is the key level right there. My stop loss would be fairly tight. I would wait for this to enter. I would wait for the break of that to enter. So right now, when I enter the trade, nope, I would wait. Let's see, could you have a look at this? Okay. So what I would do on this one is I would have an alert right here. So let's go and put our alert. I'd have an alert right here. It's above the candle buys, above the candle wicks. I'm not going to set alert because I don't want this coin. But since you like it and you're looking at it, I would have an alert right around here. And we just wait and see. You know, wait and see if, in fact, your alert goes off. See if it gains support right here. The more times it does this, the better it's going to be. Because what could happen, it comes up, comes down, loses this support, and then, man, who knows how far down it can go. So what you want to do is you want to wait. This one I definitely wait. Wait for it to break this level. Then you can enter and then have a lower bid, probably somewhere around here, just in case, you know, you do get either a dip or let's say you get a crazy wick. So it does this number. Good Lord. It does this number and comes down real hard and does this and then starts coming back up again. And now you're in 100%. So 50% here, 50% here. And of course, whenever I'm talking, and this would be on a 1 hour time frame, whenever I am showing you when to enter, I show you actually how to enter. You want to wait for the 1 hour time frame, and for this coin, you want to wait for the 1 hour time frame for the candle to close above this level, 0.043042. It has to close above this level. If it doesn't close above this level, you wait. because, and you set your alert again, because what you want to do is you don't want to be in this coin in this chop. You want it to break above here. The candle, whenever I refer to, nobody tells you this stuff, guys. This is what I'm talking about. They just say buy the breakout, buy the retest. Nobody explains what a breakout is. I do. My definition of a breakout is when the candle closes above the area of resistance. The higher the time frame, the stronger the breakout is. You can trade on 5 minutes if you want. Just know you're going to get a lot of fake outs. You know, it'll break out and then come back down. The higher the time frame, the better. Now, why am I choosing a 1 hour time frame instead of a 4 hour? Well, I can already tell that this is a low market cap by these wicks. And me personally, I don't like this coin. I don't like the candles. You know, I don't like it. Would I enter this trade? No. I should. Me personally, I wouldn't. I don't even know what it is besides the real estate. I don't know the market cap. I don't know anything. All I know is me personally, I don't enter this trade just because of the candles. The candles tell a story, and you have a pump and a dump. You have a pump and a dump. You have a pump and a dump. Then it's sell off, sell off, sell off. You have a pump and a dump. There's no way I would touch this coin. You could, not me. And for those reasons. All right, moving on. Joe, you are talking too much. Oh man, we got 10 minutes left. Man, the time goes by too fast. Let's see here. Okay, going down the list, Okay. I don't think I've skipped anybody. This is the next one. Joe, can you have a look at Robud on Sol, please? Hopefully I can look it up on this. If not, then I need to know what platform you use. I mean, I can look it up with the contract address. See, Robud. Oh, okay. So now we got to do some investigating. Let's see here. Robud. So, and now the next step, copy the address. Okay, Radium. Okay. Okay, fine. Where's the charts? I love Radium. Radium and the other one. Jupiter. How do I find the charts? Oh, it's right here. Wow, I feel dumb. Okay. Let's see here. It looks good. I like it. I like it a lot. I hate that. See chart by TradingView. Can I chart? No. Okay. I hate that I can't make this larger and chart. Anyway, so here is, well, let's just do, got it. Let's do this as our level, Alt H, and of course turn that to white. And what else can we do? We can do this. So from here to here is about 15%. I don't know what this is. What is this? I don't like this layout. Like, I'm really confused on where I'm at, what I'm doing. Like, what's this coin? I don't know how to find any information about this. Okay. See, Robud. Did I pick the wrong one? I picked the right one. Robud, Sol. Yes, 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 thank you so much. You're the king. Awesome, thank you. Dexter. Okay, so I copied that. Let's go to this. Let's go to charting. Let's go to deck screener. Let's verify that we're human. And let's go to search. Let's go type in that contract address. Here's the thing. Okay, let's go. That's the 4-hour chart. Is it different than what we were looking at? That's the 1 hour. Okay. Okay, same thing. Okay, good. All right, so let's see here. Does this one always forget? Okay, good. Stuff's still here. Okay. So for this one, I mean, I like it. I mean, to me, this looks really good. I mean, it's got this momentum. We do have some major resistance right here. Gonna do some Alt H. Let's see. Yeah, chart looks fire. I like it a lot. We got higher lows. We got momentum. You know, we had this huge. This was just a buyer, I'm sure, or a group pumping it and then dumping it, but it didn't. So normally when you see this and it comes down, you start seeing a bunch of sell off because everybody gets scared and everybody just selling. But here you don't see that. It came down and then came up real hard, and now it's creating a high. I like this one a lot. I don't know what it is, but I like it. It's gonna make money. Of course, nothing on this channel is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes. Here it is. It's like, where the heck is my tools? So from here to here, you're looking at around a 20%, we'll just call it 15% before we get to major resistance. But for me personally, I wouldn't really call this resistance just because you had this huge pump and then dump. So for me personally, I wouldn't treat this as a major area. I would wait to see what else it prints to look for levels. I wouldn't treat this as a level, in my opinion. And the reason for that, I want to explain this too. The reason for that, price goes up, and then when it came down because of the sell-off, this is where the candle closed. This is where the candles opened. And then it continued selling off until it closed. So when the price from the open and it closes above the price that it opened, it's a green candle. When the price opens and it closes underneath the open, it's a red candle. So that's how these candles, I always wondered that, like what makes them green, what makes them red? That's what that is. I know. And some of these things are really, really dumb. But just to let you know, you have hope. Because if I don't even know what makes them green or red, and you did, and you see what I can do, man, sky's the limit for you. What I do is I have to simplify everything. Why is this? I always ask why. So just to let you know, this right here, personally, I wouldn't consider this a real support resistance level. Now, if we had a lot of them, if we had a few of them, then yes, definitely. But no. This one, I think you're going to do good, man. I really do. I think you're going to do good. I don't know what it is. I wish I could find out what it was. But I can't find out what it is. Copy. I want to know what it is. As soon as I go here, takes me to this. Trade history. I don't care about that. I don't care about that. Community. Hansen says, look it up. That's what I'm trying to do. Telegram. I don't see any. I don't know where it's at. I'm not used to this format. See, meme art. Okay, so it's meme art. Okay, well, that's cool. Oh, Robud was created by Dev's 8-year-old daughter. Oh, that's so cute. We have true holder base. Oh, never sell. Well, that's cool, man. Like I said, I like it. I really do. I just wish this was easier to navigate as far as, you know, here, okay, quick links, finally at the very bottom. So robot, I don't like that I can't find stuff really fast and easy. They should have links. Like, I'm already done searching. I'm done searching. I don't even care. I'll just buy it. Like, I don't even care. Oh, is this what? No, that's CoinMarketCap. I don't know. See, girl is going to send me some more information in a second. Awesome. What I want to know is on here for the future, how do I find this stuff fast and easy? Because I don't like this. I really don't. Like, I actually despise this. Now, if it gave me everything on the main page and then gave me the option to come here, that would be so awesome. I would love it. But I don't like this. Not one bit. Not one bit. Okay. Moving on. Let's see here. So Robud is, I like the coin. Like, I think you're gonna make money on it. See here, Tim says, you're great, Joe. Thanks for all your knowledge and support. Can you do QRDO? Yeah, we'll do that one. Let's do that one. See, QRDO, USDT, MEXC. Let's see here. I like it. I like it a lot. People are going to call this a bull pennant. Or even maybe a bull flag. I like it a lot. Let's go to, I don't trade patterns, but I do see them. They're going to say this is a cup and handle. Boom. Man, I like this one. I don't know what it is, but this one looks really, really good. What you want to do is you want to wait though. Man, I like this one. And see this, guys, I'm not going to lie to you. That's why I like doing these live streams. Because y'all are showing me charts that I wouldn't have even looked at. I'm not going to lie. Like, you know how much money I make from these charts? So here's a level, and then here's a level. So this is a really, really tight little zone that we're looking at. There's a really little tight little zone. So what I would do for this one, I'm not going to enter it, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to send an alert above these wicks. And we're going to make sure that says set alert. We're going to go and set an alert. We're going to do a question mark. And then once it breaks this level, more than likely it's going to find really good support here because it might come down. Like, so if it doesn't find support here, it might come down to this level. But I'm thinking we're still going to be good. I do like it. Don't know what it is. But people see we have a bottom. We have a bottom. They have a double bottom. Daily chart. They're going to love that. Or they're going to say, well, it's not so much a double bottom. It's more of a cup and handle. They're going to love that. Or they're going to say, we had a low, higher low, higher low. But whatever they say, this is our level that it needs to break. Right there. That's the level. All right. Moving on. So I do like this one. Set your alert right there. The alert should be set for about right here. And just know that if it does come down, where would our stop loss be? Yeah. Stop loss will just be underneath these levels. So I like it. Nice one. So I already put that there. Let's see here. Dex Tools. Dave says, Joe, you're the king. Oh, thank you. Appreciate you. See, chart looks fire. Yeah, I do like that one. And it's on Solana. I need to buy some more Solana. See here. Edgar says, can you chart Mora? If this is not on this, then we cannot. So we will see. It's going to do rapid fire. USDT. Okay. Rapid fire. Nope. Don't like it at all. 100% don't like it. It would have to break above this level right here. So you would have to set an alert right here for you to consider entering this. That's how that one goes. Let's see here. It was created by his 8-year-old daughter. Awesome. This one, it's backed by Port Community. Never heard of them. But that's not to say anything. That just says, I don't know. See, read his story. I don't even need to read the story. You said 8-year-old daughter. And that's beautiful. I love it. We have a true base holder cell. Look it up. Telegram. See, OG Hansen says, I'm on it. Meme art from the founder's daughter. That's so cool. That is so cool. 8-year-old daughter. That's just so cool. See here, all info is on Dex Tools. I gotta look at Dex Tools closer. He is a Docs developer. I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. Can I post a link in the chat? Oh yeah, go for it. I'm sorry, I didn't even see that till right now. Yeah, post a link in the chat. Post a link in the chat. And if you can't post it in the chat, if it's restricted or whatever, send it to me on Telegram, and just say, hey, here's the link that you were wanting, and that way I can maybe even do a video on it. I mean, I think that'd be pretty cool. Let's see here. Sorry, man, I didn't see your thing. Amazing story. Let's see. No, we are not lying. Who said you were lying? I didn't show anybody lying. See, meme is cool. See, okay, send it. By trust. Rob, you dudes, sounds. Let's see what else. Okay, you can buy it on Radium. It's a Solana coin. Key info, then some Port Community behind this coin. Okay, awesome. The Telegram. Click the link for the coin. Okay, awesome. Good size bag. Nice. See, Gorilla says, let's see. In case you're wondering, I'm the founder and I'm doxed. What? Man, you're on my channel. Love you, dude. Love you. My 8-year-old drew this meme for us. This community is literally running the token with me. We raised over $1,500 today. Get out of here, man. Dude, that's amazing. That's amazing. I love it. I love stuff like this. Send me your link to the Telegram. I'll do a video on this. Hopefully we can get some viewers. Make some shorts out of it too. That way it gets more people. That'd be pretty cool. Nice, man. Let's see here. What else? Okay. So I'm not sure if that's the Twitter handle. I don't know. But yeah, send me a link. Send me a DM in Telegram. See, I have a good feeling about this one. Yeah, definitely, man. All right, guys. Well, that's our time. We're actually over our time. I'm going to definitely check out my DMs, see if we got a DM, and you know, maybe do a video on this. You know, see if we can help them out too. That's cool. I like it. All right, guys. That is it for me. If you're still here in the chat, guys, if you're still here in the chat, I would love for you to type a 1. I would love for you to type a 1. We're gonna do our outros and stuff like that. So just give you a heads up. So if you're still in the chat, type a 1. And speaking about ones, not sure what time it is your time, but it is always time to make this money. So let's do it, guys. Let's make this money. My name is Joe. This is TradIntuition. We do this every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We go over charts. We go over Bitcoin. We go over just the psychology of trading. You know, the fundamental parts of it, the technical analysis parts of it. We go over, we talk about the emotional side of trading. We talk about all this stuff because trading is very psychological. If you don't have that under wraps, you could be the smartest person. You could read books. You could, you know, regurgitate the books word for word. But if you don't have the psychology behind it, if you don't have the emotional part like under control, it doesn't even matter what you've read or what you can recite, because your trading skills will get destroyed when it comes to the psychological part. I'm here to help you guys. I do this for free. I love helping. Am I rich? No, not by any stretch of the means, but I want to make you rich. And I can, you know, by all these trades. And we're very successful, guys. We're very successful. All right. All right, guys, that's all I got. I do thank you. And for the ones that did the ones, we will be doing a shout out for you in 3, 2, 1. Exit. There we go. All right, guys. So I do want to give some special shout outs, guys. I do want to special shout outs. We got Mark. Mark is in the house. Let's see here. Why are my overlays not showing up? There we go. Mark's in the house. I'm too tired to type today. No problem, man. Appreciate you. We got Dave. Dave, appreciate you. Crypto 420. C10 Chevy guy, appreciate you. We got Yaboy in the house. What's up, Yaboy? Appreciate you for being here, man. Hey, I love your avatar. Or is that called an avatar icon? I love that. That's pretty cool. Of course, we got me in the house. We got Spear in the house. Anybody else still here? Anybody else still here? Of course, if you're on Twitter, if you're on the Twitter space, let me know. If you're on the Twitter space, let me know. Thank you guys for smashing the likes. You guys are the best. You guys are the absolute best. I love all of y'all guys. And thank you for smashing the likes. Once again, guys, I do thank each and every one of you. Hopefully I get that DM so that, hey, maybe we can join their community, you know, help them out. I like stuff like that. I really do. All right, guys, that's all I got. Oh, who was that? Oh, my Alexa just said, I'm leaving. Bye for now. What happened? Why is she leaving? I literally have a green screen with a dog on a fence. It says, I'm leaving. Bye now. Alexa's leaving me, guys. Alexa, do you plan on killing me? Oh, she gave me the silent treatment. Alexa, do you plan on killing me? Alexa, turn up. Alexa, turn up. Alexa, do you plan on killing me? She's not answering. She's not answering, guys. Alexa's going to kill me. Alexa's going to kill me. I guarantee it. If you find me dead, it's Alexa. All right. Thank you guys so much. Let's get some music going for about 10 seconds, and then we will exit the show in 3, 2, 1. Let's jam out.